Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to search for hotels on the Opodo application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. After that, tap on the search button down below and click on hotels in the middle of the screen. You should wait a few seconds till it loads, and after that you should select your destination, type it in into the first bar, then set the check-in and check-out date. So here you can set it, and after that set the number of rooms and adults and click on the search button. So here you can find the available hotels and stay-ins. If you want to, you can sort them by applying filters. Here you can apply popular filters, the price range can be added, neighborhood, and so on. So here you can find the results according to your set preferences. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.